let's begin with question 1. What does ORD C return? Is it C, 99, 100, or D? The correct answer is B, 99. The ORD function converts a character into its numerical character code. In ASCII, the lowercase letter c has the decimal code 99. So, ORD C returns 99. Remember, ORD takes a character and gives us its numerical code. Now, let's look at question 2. What does CHR 100 return? Is it 100, 101, C, or D? The correct answer is D, lowercase d. The CHR function converts a numerical character code into its corresponding character. In ASCII, the decimal code 100 represents the lowercase letter d. So, CHR 100 returns D. Remember, CHR takes a number and gives us the corresponding character. Now let's look at question 3. Which statement correctly describes the ORD function? The correct answer is B. It converts a character into its numerical code. For example, the character A has the ASCII decimal code 65. So ORD A returns 65. Remember, ORD takes a character and returns its numerical character code. Now let's look at question 4. Which statement correctly describes the CHR function? The correct answer is A. It converts a numerical character code into a character. For example, ASCII code 65 represents the uppercase letter A. So, CHR 65 returns A. Remember, CHR takes a number and returns its corresponding character. Now, let's look at question 5. What sequence of numerical codes is produced from the string cat? The correct answer is B, 67, 65, 84. We use the ORD function to convert each character into its ASCII decimal code. C becomes 67, A becomes 65, and T becomes 84. Therefore, the string cat is represented by the numerical codes 67, 65, 84. Remember, ORD helps us convert each character into its numerical code. Now, let's look at question 6. What string is produced by applying CHR to these codes? 68, 65, 84, 65. The correct answer is A, data. We use CHR to convert each numerical code into its corresponding character. 68 becomes D, 65 becomes A, 84 becomes T, and 65 becomes A. So when we put these characters together, we get data. Remember, CHR converts a numerical code into its corresponding character. Now let's look at question 7. Consider the string cat. What character is stored at index 0? The correct answer is C, the character C. Remember, string indexing starts at 0. So in the word cat, C is at index 0, A is at index 1, and T is at index 2. Therefore, text 0 returns C. Remember, index 0 represents the first character in the string,